Hey guys, so you just started a YouTube channel, basically like me, and you want to make an intro to grab the viewer's attention. Most intro makers cost money. You really don't want to spend any of that for an intro, right? So I found a way to make it free and easy to do. So first of all, you gotta go to Panzoid Clip Maker. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Then you're gonna see something like this. These are the most trending ones at the moment. You gotta go to more creations. It might tell you to leave the page, just press on leave. Then you see a lot of intros. Okay, I want mine to be an upbeat intro. Okay, upbeat. For example, let's pick some random one, like, and you gotta make it like match with your YouTube channel, like the color, so it grabs the viewer's attention, you know. So let me pick this one. Okay, open in Clip Maker, let's hear it. Let's get a view of it first. Okay, it's just a plain thing that says name. Let me get a more interesting one. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, that's more like it. So now you gotta go to basics. You gotta look at the resolution. I usually record my videos at 1080p, 1920 by 1080, so you press on that. But if you record them at 720, you can just press on that too. And my frames are usually at 60 fps. I don't really like my videos to be that long, but in this case we're just gonna leave it like this one. You can make it shorter, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. So here you go, you gotta go to the text, and in the text it might show you like 2 texts, maybe 3, it depends. Here it shows me, somehow it shows me 2, so you just gotta press. I'm just gonna write my YouTube channel's name. Okay, press enter, then copy, go here, do it again, paste. Here you can change like the font, the size, the height, whatever. I'm just gonna leave it like that. You gotta go down to the music. You can even change the audio file. You press select, you put them instead of the one you want. And yeah, let's give it a visual. Here we go. Wait, okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do an intro. Okay, so now after you did it, you gotta download it. So you press on download, you go to mode. I usually put it at good quality, because when I put it at extreme quality it's gonna take me forever to finish, so I just press good quality. And you're gonna do it at .mkv. Now you're gonna press start video render. It's gonna take some time to finish. Just okay, so now the video is done. Now I'm just gonna download it. Download won't take really that much time, so yeah, here it's done. I'm gonna go watch it right. Downloads, this one. And that, guys, is the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.